Maha Vishubh Sankranti. Whenever the word Sankranti is heard, we used to think about what? We used to think about Makar Sankranti. Because Makar Sankranti is celebrated many parts in India during the month of January. However, there are 12 Sankrantis which is celebrated throughout a year. 14th April is considered as Solar Hindu New Year. It is celebrated as Baishakhi in Punjab and northern parts in India, Bihu in Assam, Pohela Boisakha in West Bengal, Puthandu in Tamil Nadu, and it is celebrated as Maha Vishubh Sankranti in Odisha. It is popularly called as Pana Sankranti. It is Pana. It is not Pana. It is Pana Sankranti. This is the Odia New Year. People celebrate it with lot of devotion. They visit temples, especially Shiva temple, Jagannath temple, or Shakti temples for offering their prayers. We can see a typical tradition is followed on this day in Odisha. We know that there will be a tulsi plant in every Hindu's house. In Odisha, people used to plant tulsi in a typical platform called Chaura. This platform is called Chaura, where Om will be written on the Chaura. They used to worship the tulsi plant every day as done by every Hindu in India. On this Pana Sankranti day, they will put a temporary bamboo structure like this and hang a clay pot with a minute hole at its bottom. They used to pour water inside the pot so that the little droplets of water keeps on dripping on the tulsi plant like this. This is generally continued till end of summer. Many of us might think that it is an absurd practice. However, it is understood that in order to protect the sacred tulsi plant from the crunching heat of the summer, our forefathers had started this tradition and still it is being practiced. What a rich tradition is it, right? A typical drink is prepared on this day called Bela Pana. Bela means bale, Pana means it is a liquid diet. Pana means a liquid diet. The name Pana Sankranti is derived from this very word called Pana. Bale Pana is made up of bale, banana, jaggery, chena or cheese, coconut, and thus this bale pana is prepared. This drink is prepared. Bale pana is considered as very good for health. It cleanses intestine so it can resist heat in the summer. It cools down the body and refreshes mind. On the Pana Sankranti day, another typical prasad is also prepared for offering to the god. It is called the Chhatua. Chhatua. It is made up of powdered roasted grains, fruits, milk or curd, chena, jaggery or sugar, kali mirch powder, like this. Milk is poured and mixed with the chatua, the powder of roasted grains. Fruits are cut and added to the mix. Jaggery is also added for sweetness. Then it is mixed like this, and ultimately this Chhatua Prasad is offered to the god as part of puja. practice in temples in Odisha that on this day of Pana Sankranti, people who have had some mannat before the god used to express their devotion by way of walking on the fire. This is called as Jhamo Jatra. Different music and dance programs are organized in villages, mandirs, and other cultural institutions in which people used to participate with full enthusiasm. As we know, no festival is complete without food delicacy. Grand community feasts are organized in local cultural institutions. People used to enjoy the food as part of celebration. With the advancement of science, we are forgetting our rich culture. In order to keep this tradition going, we need to make more and more people aware about our rich tradition and rich culture. Let us keep spreading this message so that it reaches to people all over. Please share this video with your friends and relatives. Let us know about each other's culture in this manner. Please subscribe to this channel and motivate us so that we can spread this type of messages in future. That's it for today. Happy Pana Sankranti to all.